In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple OneDrive accounts in one Windows 10 computer. Add multiple OneDrive in Windows 5 minutes. If you use OneDrive for both personal files and work documents, Windows 10 makes it easy to keep them separate while accessing everything on the same computer. One important note before we begin. Windows allows only one personal OneDrive account on a device, but you can add multiple work or school accounts. With that in mind, let's get set up. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon near the clock at the bottom right of your screen. It may be white or blue depending on your theme and account type. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked into the overflow area. Just open the OneDrive menu so you can access its controls. In the OneDrive menu, click the gear icon to open settings. From there, select settings to open the full OneDrive settings window. Now, go to the account tab. This is where you manage the accounts connected to OneDrive on your computer, including storage details and sync options. Click add an account. A sign-in window will appear and you'll follow the on-screen prompts to log in. If you're adding a work or school account, choose that option when asked. Enter your credentials, complete any multi-factor verification if prompted, and proceed. During setup, you may be asked to confirm or change the OneDrive folder location and choose which folders to sync. If you're short on space, consider syncing only the folders you really need. This helps keep your device running smoothly. After you sign in, the new account will be connected and its files will begin syncing to a separate OneDrive folder in File Explorer. You'll see each account clearly labeled, so it's easy to tell personal files from work or school documents. You can repeat the add an account process as needed for additional work or school accounts. Remember, you can only have one personal OneDrive account on the computer, but you can add multiple work or school accounts. This setup is perfect for keeping different organizations' files separate while still having quick access to everything on one device. If you ever need to adjust sync settings or pause syncing, return to the OneDrive settings from the gear icon. That's all it takes. Simple, quick, and organized. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to manage multiple OneDrive accounts efficiently on your Windows 10 PC.